Page 18, skipping in space. The top of the page, they talk about the treble spaces, the treble clef, and they're talking about the spaces in the staff for a treble clef is what it is. And they spell out the word face, F-A-C-E. The bottom space is an F. It's the F above middle C. And the next space is an A, and then a C, and then an E. It's every other note because the lines are the other notes. That's what they're talking about. It's just a crutch or an aid to help you memorize the notes in the music. Don't rely on face for very long. Learn those notes. Know where that C is. It's next to the top. In the top space in treble clef, that's an E. Just memorize that as quickly as you can. You're going to use them, and I don't know if you're going to use them anymore for a while, but I haven't looked. But I don't know why they've thrown middle C in there other than to tell you the relationship of those notes to middle C. They're above it. C is here, and then these are up here. In skipping in space, it's right hand only because we're using these notes, these spaces, except for the last measure. Actually, the last measure, the left hand gets to use the E. You cross over. I showed this on a previous video. You cross over and play it with the left hand. Okay, because your right hand's in this position. And they're 3/4 time, they're dotted half notes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You get 3 counts to dotted half note. Remember how that goes. And the second line, they're quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 1. To the last one, you cross over. That's it. There's not a lot going on here. Now the dynamics for this, that's sort of medium loud, sort of loud, through the whole piece until the last measure is soft. Don't know why, but that's what they want, so you can do that. I'm sure you can handle that. But they've added pedal. They want you to pedal the whole thing. You don't need to, but they did. Fine. I'm going to push the pedal down right after I play the first note here. And I'm going to hold the pedal down for the whole piece. At the end, on the last note, when the E is played, I'm going to lift the pedal and the finger at the same time, together. That's the pedal. Ooh, okay. So let's try this out slowly. To check these notes, I don't know that we really need to check the rhythm because it's pretty simple, but just the same we'll do it. Now because this is so simple, I'm going to speed the metronome up a little. I think you can handle it. Now I'll give us 3 counts. Let's do this. So the right hand is here. You leave the left hand on your lap until the last measure. Just make sure it's there before you need to play the note. And put your foot on the pedal. Here we go. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3.